What's poppin', family? Welcome back for another episode. I got a second banger coming for you. I just recorded. Shout out to the last person who commented on my video, guided trading meditation. Basically just stole whatever you said in this comment. In this video, I went back in time, another kind of like back testing session, but we're gonna call this study hall. And I'm really trying to dig down into seeing what makes a successful trade when it comes to my trading model. I've done this kind of like skimming past the trades, you know, like my last back testing model, but right here I'm gonna really try and lay out the foundation for what exactly my trading plan is and what exactly needs to be there for my trade to be successful. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave some comments below and I'll see you in the next one. I have ES. I went back in time. This is Friday, October 21st last year, and I marked out higher time frame PD arrays. And the logic behind it is price is likely to draw up here. Not only that, but we have a nice bullish candle here. I'm thinking we're gonna at least take out these relative equal highs right here. So what else is present on winning OTE trades? This is just a guess. I'm just working out the kinks. Nested PD arrays. So this is the daily. We're gonna go down to the 4-hour and see if there's any nested PD arrays. We have this order block right here. Bring that out. We have this fair value gap right here. It's already been tapped into. It's right with the volume imbalance on the D1. This is a 4-hour. Anything else? So right now we have liquidity up here at this high. We have a 4-hour fair value gap and a volume imbalance. We're right at an order block. We're hoping that that gets blown through. We'll see what happens. So we're going into Monday. So we're going to skip forward to Monday right before our trading window and see what we see. We have a break in market structure here on the 1-hour right here, pulled back. So I'm thinking we're looking for a bullish OTE. We're looking for we have this bullish order block on the 1-hour, and we're gonna go down to the 15-minute. Price action in bias direction, break a market structure to the upside, already pulled back, made a higher low. So we are bullish. I'm gonna just place this here for now and put the 15-minute on and stock a high. Are the order blocks respected prior to New York Open? Well, these order blocks didn't even get tested. This one was not respected, but the down bearish order blocks were not respected either. So I'm still thinking bullish. We've already swept these equal highs, so we have to be careful for a reversal. But we did leave this high up here that's nested in all these other PD arrays. So let's see what happens on the 15. Let's go down to the 5. So right here is our 1-hour order block and also OTE entry. We'll see. That's a big ass fucking stop loss. But we'll see if it even gets down there. We had this market structure break and this market structure break, but this is completely hindsight. It's kind of cheating. I didn't even see it form, but if you stock it on the 5-minute, is that our entry? Watch me get this wrong. So even though it was in hindsight and I saw it late, did it check off all the boxes that I was looking for? Higher time frame PD arrays above. We had bullish market structure on the higher time frame D1. We had relative equal highs on the D1. We had volume imbalances above on the D1. We had highs left behind on the 4-hour and obviously on the 1-hour. Bullish market structure, a 1-hour market structure shift, confirming our bias. And on the 1-hour, it did not show up here, but on the 15-minute, you're thinking it should show up on a higher time frame, 1-hour. But then again, I guess it didn't do that today. So OTE is right here, these two candles. But why would I select this low? This is possibly a intermediate term low because it has 2 swing lows on each side of it. So that would be one thing that I have to study. We kind of already retraced right here, so we could have actually took that. That probably would have been more likely than watching it retrace and then still thinking it's gonna go down. But again, this is hindsight, and I'm just trying to put together a list of what makes the OT entry work. And I'm seeing, let's see, we have this order block. We tap into that. Not quite. We have this order block that we did tap into, retraced back into it, and we took our 2-to-1. Let's see what happens after. Is this luck, or did it have everything that I was looking for? An old high, market structure shift on the 1 hour in our favor. I'm curious to see what the S&T divergence was on this day, but there it is showing up on the 1 hour after a couple candles. So let's see, do we go up? And we do go back up based off the 1 hour OTE with this order block. So interesting stuff, guys. I just wanted to record my thought process here. I'm still putting together the actual kind of fucking model and rules that I have to stick to. Pretty much so far, I've just been kind of getting a feel for the market, seeing, you know, which direction I feel it's going, but I need to definitely bring in the context, the higher time frame context of liquidity draw, and pretty much put all the pieces together. And even when you put all the pieces together, you're still not going to be right. But this one happened to work out. Let me go ahead and type this out for you guys. You know, this is fucking my trading plan, and you guys, you know, probably trade differently, but what did this trade have? Higher time frame PD arrays acting as draw on liquidity. So what we had, relative equal highs, old highs, volume imbalance on the daily, fair value gap on the 4 hour. So lots of stuff drawing liquidity up there. We had the 1 hour market structure shift confirming our time frame bias and liquidity draw. Now this might be wrong on the next one, I don't fucking know. And then the 1 hour OTE did show up later. OTE entry did show up. Previous order blocks respected. Rundown one more time. Higher time frame PD arrays acting as draw on liquidity. High here, relative equal highs here. We also had on the daily a swing point right here, and it was likely we were gonna break this candle's high. Not 100%, but likely. And then we have the 1 hour market structure shift. That's something that we had today. Bam, right here. And we retraced, and then an OTE set up here. 1 hour OTE did show up. It showed up later though than the 15 minute, or the 5 minute rather. That's interesting. And then also I want to note swing low pivot point or fib anchor was a intermediate term low, meaning swing lows on each side. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong too. I'm gonna go ahead and call this video Jerry Trice Trading Study Hall. So I'll look to go find some more trades, making sure that the trades have all these kind of requirements, and we'll see how they work out. I'm sure the next one I do is gonna be a fucking L, and then it's gonna make me doubt the whole model. You know how it is, guys. So if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Thank you for checking out my videos. Leave some comments below. Let me know how you're doing. If you have any insights, we're all in this together. And again, appreciate you guys. Until next time, see you.